Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about ADP runtime and attendance. So here, the first thing that we should do is we just have to open any of our web browser and then just type out adp.com. Okay, and then right here we have the contact for a support so that we can get or create an account. So what we are going to do here is to just explain the time and attendance section. So let's just go here, and then we have here now the time and attendance. Okay, so just going to click on this section. As you can see, we can boost our productivity with the ADP time and attendance tools. So for scheduling, as you can see right here, we have the available features. It includes the shift scheduling, collaborative scheduling, configurable work roles, real-time cost calculations, and scale-based scheduling. Okay, now for the compliance, here complying with the wage regulations and our rules, such as overtime and meal breaks, it's necessary to protect your business from penalties. So with the ADP workforce and now clients, you can add on compliance on demand, which lets you to consult ADP's team of experts or share best practices with peers in their online customer community. Now, for the cost control, so 92% of organizations with more than 25 employees believe having an automated time and attendance system can reduce the payroll errors. Now, let's just go to the payroll section. So, here, you don't leave the accuracy and reliability of your company payroll to chance. So the ADP's complete punch to paycheck experience delivers fast, easy time tracking, scheduling, and attendance management. So using it, you can instantly calculate hourly totals based on your payroll policies, including overtime and avoid costly mistakes. The time data flows directly to payroll to avoid manual and potentially error prone data entry. Okay, for the flexibility section, so here, give your employees and supervisors the ability to complete time sensitive tasks quickly, easily, and in a way that works best for them. So the ADP's time and attendance solutions are built with self-service in mind and are compatible with smart time clocks, computers, and mobile devices. And it also offers an all-in-one time collection chaos and a Chaos app, both of which are designed for use with ADP payroll solutions and backed by ADP support. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.